So Phil's gonna also be the photographer. You ready for this? Dan, you wanna help on this one? Okay, ready?
I don't want to mess the letters up though either.
Yeah, no, don't hit the letters. Whatever you do.
Ready, Steve? Okay, here we go.
Here we go, behind you.
Alright, let's go.
Oh man.
Letters made
We
it
gotta
go
get
heavy.
inside the bracket. Are you inside the bracket?
Yeah, we're inside the bracket.
Yes.
Okay, Jared, up a little. Up a little more, Jared.
I'm getting stuck on a.
Okay, you should be able to get between the brackets now with everything. Steve up a little, Jared down.
I don't have a third hand to get this pin in.
You don't?
Might just be in the middle of this.
We're caught in the bottom of this one. We got to come down, but we're caught in the bottom of this.
Steve down a little.
Well, we're probably caught.
Okay, now we're up.
All right, Jared up a little, Steve down a little.
Oh, we got a long ways to go yet.
There goes the
We
pin.
got a long ways to go, we're not even close.
Is that the pin?
Yeah, can you hand it up to him?
Can we get this thing on the props before the pin goes
Well, you
in?
need to go up like 4 more inches. Yeah.
Okay, where are prop?
Okay, one's under right
There's
now.
one prop in the center.
Okay, we're okay. We're all right, pretty much here.
Ready for the bolt?
Keep on hold on
Oh, the props need to be kind of towards the sides, because
I know, I'm
Yeah.
one person, so.
No, I know. It's just there's no, so there's some sort of.
Okay,
Wall.
lift your head up a little bit.
Okay, my pin's in. I need to go up a little higher. Okay. There we go.
Pin in on this side.
I think we're good.
Nobody's holding it?
Just one pin is
I'm not
all it
holding.
holds.
I'm touching the bottom.
That's all that holds it.
All right, go.
Is it on the tripods or is it above it?
Above on this side.
It's on this one, but not completely.
Uh-huh.
Take them out.
No, you can leave them in there as long as those holes up there are lined up.
Lined up at the top here.
Reasonably lined up?
Yeah, they're reasonably lined up.
Okay, I think we're done.
I'm going.
So you're putting